Hey there, coin enthusiasts! Today, we've got an exciting topic that's sure to pique your interest. We're diving into the world of coins, specifically the 1998 quarter dollar, rumored to be worth millions. So, buckle up as we embark on this treasure hunt together. Before we unveil the million-dollar mystery, let's get some background on the 1998 quarter dollar. Minted in Denver in 1998, this coin may seem ordinary at first glance, but little do people know, some of these quarters have turned into incredible collector's items. What makes these coins so special? It's all about rarity. In 1998, the Denver Mint produced a limited number of these quarters with a unique error that sets them apart. The coin experts call it the double ear variety. This fascinating error occurs when a second ear appears on President Washington's portrait, and it's this error that has collectors buzzing with excitement. Now, here comes the thrilling part. Over the years, some lucky individuals have stumbled upon this rare double ear variety in their collections, and guess what? These seemingly ordinary coins turned out to be worth a fortune. Some have reportedly sold for over $1 million. The big question is, how can you identify if you have one of these rare gems in your possession? Look for the distinct double ear error near Washington's portrait. If you spot it, congratulations! You might just be holding a small fortune in the palm of your hand. So, what's the current market value of these rare 1998 quarter dollars? Prices can vary, but with the right buyer and the right auction, these coins have been known to fetch jaw-dropping amounts. It's a fascinating intersection of history, rarity, and demand in the world of numismatics. And there you have it, folks. The 1998 quarter dollar with the double ear error. A small coin with a big story and an even bigger potential value. Check your coin collections, and who knows, you might be sitting on a treasure trove. Finally, this coin value is $1 million. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting!